Concept 2, finding the length of a leg in a right triangle. So we have used the Pythagorean theorem to find our hypotenuse, our C value, when it was missing. Now we're going to look at how to find one of our legs if we're missing that length. It can be either value that we're missing, doesn't matter, but your goal is to use the Pythagorean theorem and just isolate one of those values, whichever one you're missing. Okay, so say we were missing A. Okay, we knew B was 12 and our hypotenuse, or C, is 13. Okay, we'd come down, we'd say A squared plus 12 squared equals 13 squared. Okay, our goal is going to be to find out what A is, right? It's going to be to find that missing value, that missing variable. So what we're going to do is we're going to just, like we would for a normal equation, subtract 12 squared, subtract 12 squared, those will cancel, and we'll have A squared equals 13 squared minus 12 squared. Okay? And then once we get it to this form, where we've got our missing variable isolated, we can just solve these values. Okay? So A squared is going to equal 13 squared. Let's just use our calculator for that. 13 times 13. Or you can use this number right here, or this little symbol right here. That'll do it as well. So that's 169 minus 12 squared should be 144. And that should be one you can remember. And if we subtract 144 from 169, we're going to end up with A squared equal to 25. Take the square root of both sides. Those cancel, so we're left with A equals the square root of 25, which is 5. And this is another one of those, they're called Pythagorean triplets. Okay, these special cases where we have integers on all sides of our right triangle.